welcome to Career Flow. I am Vrinda Jain and I'm here to help you land your dream job. I know it's difficult, but let's get started. If you're new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're still looking for your dream job and you haven't landed one. Today, we're going to talk about what is a LinkedIn optimized profile. Why do you need to optimize this profile in the first place? And third, some very small tweaks that you can do today to have an optimized LinkedIn profile, which will help you land this dream job that you've always wanted. So let's get started. What do we mean by an optimized LinkedIn profile? So basically, an optimized LinkedIn profile means that we have an active and visible profile on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is this professional network. There's millions of people just like you trying to get that job. But what stands you out is that very visible and very relevant profile. The more optimized your profile is, the more recruiters will see it, the more chances of you landing that dream job that you've been wanting. Why do we need an optimized LinkedIn profile? So there are three things. One, an optimized LinkedIn profile helps you gain more visibility and helps you expand your network. A professional network in today's range is your net worth. So if you have a largely expanded in multiple industries, multiple people network, you are very valuable. So that's what an optimized LinkedIn profile helps you with. And the third thing it does, most of the recruiters, probably around 90% of recruiters and hiring managers use LinkedIn as their primary source of hiring people for the jobs they are hiring for. So if you have the right optimized profile, if you get visible to them, if you're available to them to be hired in their dashboard, there is no chance that that job can slip out of your hands. So having an optimized LinkedIn profile is very essential for you. Now that we know how important optimized LinkedIn profile is, top 3 ways what you can do to optimize your profile just today. 1, have a very professional picture of yourself with your face clearly visible. Don't wear caps, don't wear shades or goggles or anything. Just keep your face very visible. Don't make it a very far off picture with all the background aesthetics because people want to see you. They want to put a face to the name they're reading about. That's 1. 2, have a very compelling and rightly keyworded headline. The first few words that a person reads about you right after your name is your headline. If it's rightly filled with keywords, if it has all the information about you, there's no chance people will miss your profile. And step 3 is having a very well written summary section. There are all other sections to help you give all the information about you, but this section gives you the chance to fill all the very important keywords and especially the soft skills that usually get left out when you're working on your experience section because you're always very busy telling about what you really did. So this section, the summary or the about section, helps you expand and tell about your personality, bring out what you bring to the table in front of the recruiter. These are the top 3 things you can do today to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So basically, in conclusion, having an optimized LinkedIn profile is very essential to you being a professional in the professional world. It helps you expand your network, gives you visibility in front of recruiters and hiring managers. All you have to do there is be there on LinkedIn. Try and optimize your profile. And if you want to get 10x results and you want to do it as fast as possible, don't forget to check out our LinkedIn optimization tool. We'll drop the link in our description box. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. We'll try and answer them. For today, that's all, but we will soon come back with another video to help you out find your dream job.